What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got a brand new unboxing video for you guys. Alrighty, guys, what is going on today? I got a brand new unboxing video for you guys. It's gonna be a quick video, but I was able to cop the Air Jordan 5 Retro times, the collaboration with the Off-White brand. I got the sale pair here, and let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so I only got a one camera setup here, so I'm gonna show you guys the box right here. This is a size, let's see here. This is a size 11.5. For all you guys wondering what kind of shoe size I'm rocking, it's a size 11.5. Let's see if this camera can focus on that. There we go. Focus up. Perfect. So yeah, size 11.5. The official colorway on here is, let's see, Sail Fire Red, Muslin, and Black. So that's the official colorway. They retailed at $225. I was able to cop it right on the Nike Sneakers app. I did get pretty lucky this time around. Normally, it's kind of the luck of the draw on the app, and most times you do it and they're immediately sold out. So I was super lucky to cop these. Let's open up the box here. Show you guys that this box is actually kind of like a special edition Jordan 5 box. It's got the peak holes here with the TPU, it looks like, so you can actually see into the box. Upon opening up the box, you got the Jordans right there with the special edition off-white little wrapping packaging that we have right here as soon as you open it up. If we go ahead, peel back, you'll see the shoes right there. This is a really sick colorway, in my opinion. Let's see here. This will be a little bit easier for you guys. Let's do this. We'll grab this pair right here. Alright, guys, so getting in a little quick detail, you have that vintage off-white peeking right here through the little hole cut out right here that normally Jordan 5s do not have. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of like a translucent. I wish the camera would focus. There we go. So it's like that translucent looking upper right here. I believe it's like a ripstop type of synthetic is what they had called it. So you got that side right there. You got the red, fire red fin going along the side right there. That classic Jordan 5 silhouette. 23 in the back. Nike Air tag right there as well. There we go. Focus up. And then that bottom is going to be a translucent. It is already yellowed. It's pre-yellowed on there. That's just how the Off-White did it. The collaboration. You also have the Nike hit instead of saying Jordan. But you do have the Jordan Jumpman towards the toe front. Looking alongside right here, you have that Jordan tongue. You got that Jordan tongue, silver tongue with the red Jumpman. And if you can see, let me move this side out of the way. And if you can't see right there, you do have that hole cut out right in the front of the tongue as well. Like I said, again, that off-white stamp of approval up there on the tongue. You got your lace lock here. It's also in that type of like cream. Let me move this tag out of the way. It's like that cream, translucent, yellowed vintage look on the lace lock with the red hit as well. And then, of course, bringing it to the tag. Let's see if we can focus this up. Of course, you got that off-white hit on the zip tie going right there. Pretty clean colorway. Interested to see what you guys think about these. Let me pull out this one as well, because it comes with actually 3 sets of laces. So you have the original white creamish color, a translucent. You also get the black hit too, shoelaces. They also say shoelaces on there, of course, because it's an off-white. And then, if you can take a look here, you also have the red as well. So you got the red laces, you got the black laces, and you also have the original laces in there as well. So, I mean, as far as the packaging goes, it's pretty clean packaging. Like I said, that special edition off-white type packaging with the wrapper as well. Very clean pair of sneakers. Take a look at them here one last time. Right out of the box. And yeah, guys, this pair of shoes is actually going to be posted and listed right on eBay. I am going to list the eBay link down below if you guys are interested in this pair of shoes. They were completely sold out. Like I said, they're the off-white edition, limited edition, so gonna be hard to get your hands on. So I will be selling this pair in the eBay link down below, so you guys can go check that out. So like I said, just a quick unboxing video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you want more content like this, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments section if you want to see more of this stuff. So thank you guys for tuning in. As always, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.